Hello, my name's Irvin Howard. I'm going to share my screen, and this is my final project for CS50, Introduction to Programming with Python. The final project involves validating faculty development records. I'm going to have it's a program that will separate valid and invalid data records from a CSV file. And I'm going to stop and share it. Let's see. Let me stop here. Let me stop share, and I'll go to the program. Um, I'm wasting time. Okay, up here. Okay, my program is right here. The program will validate records, and it's going to read a file, which is a CSV file. Sorry, and I label it. It's right here. And I want to show the data. This is what the data looks like. It's going to read all of this information, the faculty ID, and it's contributing information to faculty development. The program will separate and validate the data from that CSV file and put it in two separate lists. One is validated list and the other is invalidated list. And I'll go ahead and um, show you here that I have three functions that we'll be using. It will identify the faculty ID, it'll validate all the records, and it will validate the date. Now, I'm going to go ahead and run it. CD project, and I'm gonna run Python project. Okay, all right. Now what it did, it separated the valid records from the invalid records. So there's 57 records and 9 invalid records. If I go back to the CSV file, if you add these two numbers, it's 66. So this is how much data I have, 66 pieces of data. If you don't count the headings, because it used the headings in the program that I use the headings as keys to find the data and then separate it. Now, what I will do now, I'm going to clear it and run the PyTest. And here's my program for the PyTest. Real quick. Test project. All right. And I have my aligning functions, all three functions, and ready for the test. Test the date, validate the ID, the faculty ID, and then it's going to validate the data. So I have two pieces, two rows, two records. One to test the valid, and then invalid and the valid. And I have it as a false statement, and I have a true statement. False is invalid, true is valid. I'm going to go ahead and type the PyTest test project to see if it will pass and hit enter. And you can see here that it did the pass. It passed all three tests for those three functions. I hope this was helpful in securing my final project grade. Thank you very much. You have a good day.